Hello guys, welcome to part 7 of SQL 50. So today I'm going to solve product sales analysis. So you can check my previous video also. I solved this question in our previous video. So for today I'll solve product sales analysis. So let's understand the tables of this problem. So here we have sales table and column names are sales ID, products ID, year, quantity and price. And the second table we have is product, and it have two columns, product ID and product name. So let's read the question. Write a solution to report the product name, years, price for each sales ID in a sales table and return the resulting table in any order. So let's understand. For example, inputs. So it is the inputs. We want what? Product name, year and price. So product name is in second table product. This is, we want this name like this, Nokia Apple, right? So this is the sales table. So product ID is 100. It's mean the product name is Nokia. So same, for 100 we get Nokia, and for second sale the product ID is also 100, then we get Nokia again, and third sales product ID is 200. So 200 means product name is Apple, so we get Apple. So let's write the query of this question. Select a star from table sales as S, join product as P on S dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. So what what which columns we want? Here first is product name, so I'm copying this product name column, this column, and this is the this column of this column is comes from product table, right? So that's why we need to add P dot product name, comma, and what next we want? Year. So year in which, let's see, year in which columns are present, in which tables. So it came from sales table. Here you can see that year. So is dot year, comma, and this is last column which is price. So it's also come from sales table, right? So is dot price. So let's submit it. Yes, our code is successfully accepted. So thanks for watching guys this video, and please subscribe the channel Analysis with Ashish. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and thank you.